The moment you say hi sa isang babae, ginajudge ka na agad niya sa utak niya. And for sure, halos lahat ng mga lalaki hindi napapansin to, but the moment you say hi, she's already watching and testing you. So hindi ito sa pa-cute or in a very bitchy way, but in a let's see if this guy is actually the man he says he is. So yan yung mga isa sa mga pinakaunang test, and it happens before you even have a decent conversation with her. So ang problema natin mga lalaki before is we think test only happens kapag naging kayo na. Pero ang hindi natin alam, doon tayo nagkakamali, Yugi Boy. Because the test starts at hello. Even before mo pa ibuka yung bibig mo, she's already evaluating kung confident ka ba or kinakabahan ka, kung leader ka ba or magiging alipin ka lang niya, or may laman ba yung mga sinasabi mo or puro scripted shits lang. Dati, katulad mo, meron ako laging naiisip tungkol sa mga babae. So, bakit ba ang hirap nila intindihin? Di ko na alam kung gusto niya ba talaga ako or hindi. So, men think women are just moody or predictable. Well, tama naman kasi nga sila nga yung parang weather, di ba? Sabi dun sa isang libro, The Way of the Superior Man. Pero ang hindi naman natin na-realize is she's not being mean kung bakit kanya tinitest. She is just filtering the best possible mate for her. Because again, in a biological perspective, women are the choosers and men are the pursuer. Ibig sabihin, mas mahigpit sila sa pagpili ng lalaki kasi nga, biologically speaking, their life is more at risk kapag pumasok sila sa isang relationship because of pregnancy. Kaya sila mapili. That's why sobrang dami na ng filters when it comes to choosing a man. Because they want to see who's the best mate for them who can provide, protect, and perform. So, knowing this one, women will test us sa ayaw man natin o hindi. And hindi mo na mababago yon. That's how they are programmed. So, instead of trying to fight their nature and blaming them for being a woman, mas mabuting gawin natin is let's just play the game. So parang chess lang to, matehan. Biology are the rules, yung natural programming nila. So, kung tinetest ka ng babae, don't take it as a rejection, but use it as an opportunity para i-showcase yung masculinity mo, yung mga smooth moves mo bilang lalaki. Because every girl, kahit gaano pa kataas yung standards niyan, is simply looking for one thing. A man who is sure and confident about himself. Hindi yung nagbabago ng personality just to impress. Hindi yung binabago yung mood niya para lang mapansin. But a man who stands strong, leads the moment, and owns who he is. So, the next time na makikipag-usap ka sa babae na type mo, stop trying to impress. So, start grounding your presence, hold eye contact, magsalita ka ng slow and clear as possible. Keep your energy relaxed. Huwag kang kuyakoy ng kuyakoy. O, parang ako ito ngayon. Kasi I'm very passionate about this one, man. Kailangan makuha mo to. Okay? Do the opposite of what I'm doing right now. Okay? Kasi kayo ikausap ko no? Gusto ko na-hype ko rin kayo. Pero when it comes to girls, you need to be calm, Calm and relaxed, confident, smooth lang, man. Let her feel that you've been here before. Kumbaga, sanay ka na makipag-usap kahit kanino, kahit gaano pa siya kaganda. Sanay ka na makipag-usap kung alam niya maganda siya. And the way you approach her, the way you chat her, the way you conversate with her. Word ba yung conversate? Basta yung way na lang na pakikipag-usap mo sa kanya is parang normal lang. Ibig sabihin, that's a sign that you've been, alam mo yun, you've been doing this for so long and for how many times. Because women follow the lead of a man who passed all their tests. Ito yung nagse-separate sa mga lalaking confident versus sa mga nerdy boys na puro script at techniques pero walang foundation. So one principle to remember is if you fold on the first test, you'll never make it to the second date. So what to do? So again, observe your body language when talking to women. Speak 20% slower than usual. And make sure clear, hindi mo kinakain yung salita mo. And kapag tinest ka niya, for example, sinabi niya, siguro marami kang babae, no? Yung mga ganon, yun, sample test yun. If tinest ka niya ng ganon, don't justify, don't explain, or oversell yourself. Instead, what you can do is be playful, challenge her kapag tinest ka niya, and don't take it personally. Ang pwede mong isagot doon, sabihin mo, alam mo kasi yung mga mukhang ganito, hindi nawawalan, pinipilahan. That's the shit right there, bro. Be playful. Nakita nyo, be playful lang. Hindi ko sineryoso kapag tinatanong ako ganun. Huwag nyo seseryosohin. Be playful. Hold your frame. Be confident. So that's it for this video, mga kuys. Hopefully, meron kayong natutunan, meron kayong nakuha mga gems dito sa videos ko na to. Sobrang tagal ko, simula nung huling nag-upload ako, like 2 weeks ago kasi nga ito. Titingnan nyo, bago yung studio ko. Nandito kasi ako ngayon sa Bicol, man. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below on what you think, kung ano yung mga test na binibigay sa inyo ng mga babae. And if you want more videos about men's personal development para ma-achieve natin yung best masculine version, mag-upload ako dito ng mga video on how I do my personal development journey para yun, para mahikayat ko rin kayo na ma-achieve rin yung best masculine version nyo. So yun lang, like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Let's go! Check nyo pala yung mga captions, meron ako mga free stuff dyan, and also if gusto nyo ng further help, meron din dyan. So yun lang.